To make a bank transfer in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you have not already, set up your Google Pay account by adding a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Next, navigate to the main screen of the Google Pay app, where you will see several options, including Send and Request. Tap on the Send option to initiate a bank transfer. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their name, bank account number, and IFSC code. Ensure that the recipient's details are accurate to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer. After entering the recipient's details, you will be asked to enter the transfer amount. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the payment method you want to use. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's details and the transfer amount. If everything is in order, tap the Continue button to proceed with the transfer. You will then be asked to authenticate the transfer using your Google Pay PIN or fingerprint. Enter your PIN or use your fingerprint to authenticate the transfer. Once the transfer is authenticated, it will be processed, and the funds will be transferred to the recipient's bank account. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. To avoid any issues with bank transfers, ensure that your Google Pay account is linked to a valid bank account and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount. Also, be cautious when entering the recipient's details to avoid any errors. By following these steps, you can easily make a bank transfer using Google Pay. The process is secure, convenient, and fast, making it an ideal way to send money to friends, family, or pay bills.